A scale's load cells bear the brunt of the work. So when a load cell fails, it's critical to get back up and weighing as soon as possible. B-TEK's patented CPD-M digital load cells can be replaced and calibrated in minutes, not days, keeping your scale operational with minimal disruption. The indicator immediately alerts you when a load cell has failed and requires replacement. Load cell replacement is simple and direct. Raise the scale. Remove the defective load cell. Disconnect the data and ground wires. Install the new load cell. The process of replacing a load cell has been designed to be fast and easy, capable of being done in-house in a matter of minutes. After installing the new load cell, you can power on the indicator. The system will confirm detection of the replacement automatically. To send the existing calibration data from the indicator to the new load cell, press the calibration switch using a small screwdriver or paperclip. The indicator will first prompt you to select the default menu language before proceeding. The system will display the calibration menu. Select the option labeled Scale. Select the number of scales in the system. Select your digital scale. Select No when asked to change scale type. Then select Terminal Data Storage and confirm. Lastly, escape out of the menu and the indicator will restart. Once the reboot has finished, your new load cell will be calibrated and ready for immediate use. Keeping a spare load cell on hand can mean the difference between weighing trucks and waiting for service. CPD-M digital load cells are exclusively offered on B-TEK truck scales. Learn more at btek.com.